Whoa! Hi guys, today I'll be covering 4 essential things which I use for my YouTube channel. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Now the very first thing which everybody needs for their YouTube channel is good audio. The first item is my Rode Video Mic Go. For all those who've been following my channel, you guys know I've used the Rode Video Mic Go very often. In fact, I've had 2 of these. Now the Rode Video Mic runs on phantom power. Phantom power basically means that it doesn't need external batteries to get this running. Now the Rode Video Mic Go isn't expensive and probably costs only less than 100 USD. And it gives very good quality for its price. I prefer this a lot to lavalier mics as this doesn't take much to set up. Basically you just attach it on top to your camera and you can start filming. Now I'm sure there are a lot of times out there which you turn away from videos because the audio was so bad. So this will help you a lot more as this is a shotgun mic, meaning that it's a straight record pattern. Number 2. Variable ND filters. I've been using the Sigma 16mm f1.4 on my a6400 to shoot all these videos, and it has a variable ND filter attached to it, just like my kit lens. Now what a variable ND filter does is that it is able to help you to control the shutter speed of your camera by reducing the light that's coming into it. Now you do not see a lot of my ND filters on my channel as a lot of them has been used for my lens. So ND filters are really an underrated lens attachment, but it's really essential if you want to get good video. Now the third one is a shooting grip. Be it a shooting grip or tripod, a shooting grip will be able to attach to your camera just like this. So you're able to vlog with this, or just open the legs up and leave it on the table for videos. So my earlier viewers out there have been complaining that my videos tend to be very shaky. So my a6400 doesn't have image stabilization. So a shooting grip like this will help my video a lot. Now my last and probably one of my most favorite item is my Smarter Slider Mini. Now having a little motion towards your videos can help your videos a lot. Now as you guys can see, my slider moves at a very gentle rate. This adds a very dramatic effect for videos which tend to be very static. For all those who are interested what this can do, please click on the video right here where I cover different highlights of the bags that I reviewed. Most of the sliding effects are shot using this Smarter Mini slider. I hope you guys like this video where I cover these 4 essential things which I need for my YouTube channel. Now please leave down in the comments below what are your 4 essentials which you guys use for your YouTube. For all those who are new out there, I cover photography tips and gadget reviews on my channel. So please like and subscribe so that you can tag along. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.